So welcome to Money in the Bank with Frank here at the Harper Belmont Studios, our new home. If you see anything you like here, please check out some of the other stuff on The Merge, our station on YouTube. So today we wanted to talk about health insurance for employees. I get asked a lot, what should I choose? And I figured we'd go over maybe a couple of options and talk just a little bit about health insurance. So health insurance plans for employees are commonly referred to as group insurance plans. Group health insurance is a single plan that provides coverage for usually all employees. As I found out recently, the one thing that's interesting is that it may not cover spouses, but keep in mind that each company has their own bills to pay as well. Now, plans are typically paid for on a monthly basis, and those monthly premiums are dependent upon your location, the number of employees covered, and the ages of the covered employees. In addition, there are different types of insurance plans, and the four most common types I wanted to go over. First of all, there's the Preferred Provider Organization, or PPOs. These are often seen as the most lenient type of plan since referrals aren't mandatory and the plan will at least pay partially for out-of-network services, but they also tend to carry the most expensive premiums, and they are the most common group of insurance plans. Next, we have the Health Maintenance Organization, or HMO. HMOs tend to have lower monthly premiums, but employees will need to receive primary care physician referrals for any special services. So this is the one which is more like, it's a gated plan. It means that you actually have to go to the primary care physician and convince that person that you need to go see a specialist. And this is done on purpose. They don't want you going to different places and getting self-diagnosing. So there's that. Exclusive provider organizations, or an EPO. EPO plans only pay for services from a select list of providers. As you can imagine, they're not as expensive. And then next we have the point of service plans, which is also known as a POS. These POS plans are similar to HMOs in that you're required to get a referral for certain services, but POS plan will still pay for certain out-of-network services. Now, each of these plans is going to have a monthly premium, a deductible that has to be met before the plan kicks in, and copays that the covered individual might have to pay for a particular service. Now, it is strongly cautioned against choosing the cheapest plan available without looking into the details. Those plans are often cheap for a reason, and if you take the time to look through the plan, the different type of plan, we found that many of the cheapest plans also came with significant drawbacks, including in-network providers that were not so close, providers that are open only during normal working hours, and more. So as cumbersome as it may be, it'll be in your best interest to carefully review the details of each plan and network in your offerings. Thanks so much, and we will chat with you again very soon. Take care.